Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this bomb two-piece set. Honestly, love how it turned out. Minimal sewing involved. It's so easy to make, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it because I love the result. Without any further ado, let's get started on this very exciting video. Materials you're going to need: obviously the fabric you're going to be sewing from, measuring tape, a pair of scissors, some pins, and some sewing thread. Mine does not match my fabric because I couldn't find matching thread, but probably that's the best thing to do. Now I'm cutting material that's 42 inches by 34 inches. The 42 inches is the size of my hips, whereas the 34 is the size from my waist to my ankle. So measure that and cut out 2 pieces of that. And now you're going to work on one piece and repeat to the other one. I'm just folding it in half and measuring my crotch. You can do this with a pair of pants you have. I literally measured my crotch and it was about 10 inches by 5. And now I'm drawing an arc just to make cutting easier. That's probably what you should do because you want it to be a curved shape. So I'm just gonna cut that in my slow-paced fashion. Obviously, you're going to repeat it to the other piece, and then you're going to place them on top of each other and start pinning them together just so that you can sew very easily. Sew the 2 fabrics together after placing them on top of each other, and now we're going to move on to making the straps. I just cut 4-inch white strips and I decided to glue them to the 4 corners. You can sew if that's what you prefer. I'm really bad at sewing, so I avoid it at all costs. But I did go in with some sewing after the glue just was showing through my fabric. So yeah, that was a fail, but it still turned out okay. So I'm just gluing with the E6000 glue, which is so strong. Trust me, that thing does not budge. Now for the top, all I did was literally cut out a rectangular piece that was 22 inches by 50 inches, and that's it. I kid you not, that's how easy this is. I'm just taking the rectangular piece I just cut out with a hair tie. Make sure the side that you folded is on the outside because you're going to turn it inside out. I'm talking too much. Just watch. I'm tying it with a hair tie. You could use a matching fabric. I didn't have that, so I improvised. And I'm basically going to make this as tight as possibly possible, and then I'm going to turn the top inside out. See what I meant? That way the folded bits will be on the inside and no one will know you folded this up in thirds and it hasn't been sewn together. So I'm just adjusting it to fit my boobies, and that's it. That's literally it. For the pants, this is a bit complex, but it's really easy, I promise. I'm just taking 2 of the corners and I'm going to tie that around my waist. Make sure you don't knot the back because it's going to look lumpy and it's going to show through your pants. Just leave it as a loose knot. And now I'm going to take the other corners through my legs and I'm going to tie that to the front. Make sure it fits the booty, shake it a bit if you need to, and then tie it at the front once you feel like everything is in place. And that's literally it for this video. Honestly, this is so easy to make and it looks so bomb. I'm going to make this with a lot of fabrics because I love how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're subscribed, I will definitely see you in my next one. Until then, bye.